very good evening to you and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Jamaica's net international reserves NIR reached over $2.7 billion at the end of July. The money was $119 million higher than it was in June. At that level, it was capable of purchasing 20 weeks of imports. Express Catering says it will be opening 3 Starbucks locations in the Sangster International Airport within the next 6 to 8 months. CEO of Express Catering, Ian Deere, speaking at a recent Mayberry Investor Forum, says the rollout will cost $1.4 million, but says Starbucks will become a feature of the Jamaican food and beverage market through a separate company.
We have the rights to operate as Express Starbucks at the airport, at the Sangster International Airport, only, period, nowhere else. However, our group is a part of a joint venture partnership that has the rights to develop Starbucks in Jamaica and a few other islands. And so that will be rolling out through a separate group.
Express Catering has exclusive rights to provide food and beverage in the post-security segment of the Sangster International Airport. Those brands include Dairy Queen and Quiznos. He said negotiations are ongoing to bring other brands to the airport and even outside of it.
However, nearly every single brand would like us to take it outside of the airport, every single one. So some we have a contractual opportunity to do that, and some we really just have to present the decision to want to go out of the airport.
Commodities trading now, and the price of oil dropped by 19 cents today to settle at $49.39 a barrel. The dip came on concerns about major oil-producing countries' wavering commitment to cap output at an OPEC meeting now underway. That's the Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Good evening.